Yo, what's up, my people? Welcome to Wally's Well and World. I'm the Well Professor. I do what I always do. I get up, I'm motivated, I'm pumped, I'm hungry, I love life. It's great, you know. I let go and I let God at times. I let him lead me because sometimes people aren't going to be for you. Circumstances aren't going to be in your favor. And you have to realize that it's all a mindset and it's all heart, that you got to give it all you got from your heart and know that no matter what, God is going to protect you and that you're going to be able to do the things you need to do, that you're going to be able to soar in the sky like you need to, like the eagles, you know. You're not a pigeon, you're not a crow, you know. And so don't believe all the doubt and all the hate, you know. People will hold you down, people will try to hold you back, and you just got to realize that things happen for a reason, and sometimes it's not going to work out in your favor, and you have to keep on fighting and giving it all you got, because if you don't, you're going to end up drowning in this world. You got to realize nothing was ever handed to me. I've had to work hard for everything I have, and if things have been handed and given to me, it's because of the glory of God, and I give it to him. It's he wants to bless me, and therefore, you know, you just got to keep going, man. You can't let nothing hold you down. You got to realize that life isn't easy, that things aren't going to happen in your favor, that things are going to just happen without you wanting it to happen, and then you just got to keep pushing through it and fighting, because if you don't, it's going to end up consuming you and dragging you down and pulling you down, and you don't want that. You want to be able to know in your heart that God's got your back, and that no matter where you go in life, that he's going to be there for you, waiting for you, and he will. You just have to realize that not everything is going to happen in your favor, that not everybody's going to be for you, that some people are going to be against you, that circumstances are just going to happen that are going to be very unfortunate. But you got to keep the mindset, the mentality to know that the best things are going to be possible for you if you keep on the faith and you keep believing and you keep fighting for what you have. Because, you know, I see it a lot. You know, people, they want to hate on me for what I got going on, and that's all good, man. You know, God bless them. You know, I hope that maybe someday they can find it in their heart that things can happen for them the way they've happened for me. I'm very fortunate. I'm very grateful. I'm very lucky, you know, for some of the things I have in my life. You know, I'm blessed. I got a beautiful wife and kids, and I live in my own home. I work in the state of Colorado usually. You know, I'm kind of traveling right now, but that's what it is. You got to learn to roll with the punches. Not everything's going to work out in your favor. You know, you're going to have to learn how to deal with things, situations that aren't really, you know, the possible for a mindset. People ask me sometimes about how do you deal with people on the job that bring you down? It's like, you know, you be good to them. You treat good. You keep doing good. You got to give good to get good. You know, the moment you start doing bad, you get bad. And that's just something my father taught me growing up. He said, you know why God put eyes on the front of your head and not the back, and that's to see where you're going, not where you've been. It's like, don't focus on the past. Just focus on the future. You know where you're headed. You know your goals. You know what you're motivated for. You know, I hear other people say, you know, write a list down and set some goals, you know, and that's good, that's fine, that's dandy, you know. I think I've done that in the past, but I don't really do it now, and it is what it is, you know. I got so much in my mind, and I got so much to give, and it's kind of dumb for me to hold it all in and be stingy with it. I believe I got to give back, you know, because God gave me the gift, and therefore it's not really mine, it's his, and I glorify him, you know. People want to knock me all the time, telling me that God isn't real, and it is what it is, you know. You can believe in what you believe in. It's just the way I was raised, you know. I wasn't raised up beating the Bible. In fact, you know, I haven't even read the entire Bible. I'm still learning lots of the Bible, and I'm trying to do the most I can in life to focus on what I need to do in my heart to be a good person, you know, to make sure that I'm doing the right things in life that make me feel good, you know. I'm not trying to go out and be selfish and greedy and take advantage of people to my advantage. In fact, I'm trying to give as much as I can. I want to give as much as I can. That's just me. I've been raised that my whole life, you know. And when I tell people I'm going to do something for them and they want to pay me back, you know, I say, it's all good, man. I wouldn't do these things out of the kindness of my heart if I wanted to be repaid. If I want to be paid for it, I'm going to tell you straight up front, you know, okay, you know, that's going to cost you $10,000. And there's no sugarcoating that, you know. Sometimes I feel like, know what you're worth, because if you don't know what you're worth, people will take advantage to their advantage of you, and they'll pull you down, they'll sink you down, and you can't let people do that to you. You got to just be strong, and you got to fight, and you got to know what is right, man. You know what's wrong, you know what's right. Do right, forget being wrong. You know, if you're doing people wrong, it's going to come back to you. You know, karma's a mother, and it makes a full cycle, and it comes back to it, and I'm a firm believer and living proof of that. I've done things in my life that you know, I might not be proud of, and it's come back on me, and I think like, damn, you know, that's karma or instant karma, and it's real, man. I truly believe if you want to do good in life and you want to be in the position I am, you can make it happen. And, you know, for a long time, I wanted to do it through rapping, and maybe God didn't want to lead me there. Maybe someday I'll be able to do what I need to do in life to get where I want to go, and that's how I live my life. I'm doing what I need to do to get where I want to be in life, because I know that I have to fight for it, and that I have to give it all I got, because the moment you stop doing that and give up on yourself is when things are going to fall apart. So keep the faith, do what you know is best, stay motivated. At all times I wake up and I'm happy and I'm excited, you know, and people, they don't know how to take me at times, you know. They think I'm either high on drugs, but no, man, I'm high on life. I'm so thankful and fortunate that I'm alive, and I'm able to give back all the things that I have that have been given to me, all the people that have taught me something. I'm so happy and thankful I can give it back, man, because the people who taught me, you know, some of them aren't even here, man, and it hurts me hard, man. And you know, sometimes I don't even know where I'm going with all this. I just hope that it makes an impact on you, that you understand that you can make it happen, and that you can do all the things you need to do. You can't let people hold you down. You can't let them hold you back. You got to realize that the people that are trying to drag you down aren't happy within themselves, and pray for them. You know, hopefully they can find their path and they can find their niche. You know, everybody, I believe, has a niche in life to where they belong. You know, like I believe everybody has their part, you know, so you got to play your part. And sometimes I feel like I don't even know what my part is in life. So it is what it is. You know, I have to find my part in life, and I feel like my part in life is welding and giving back to the community, because that's what's important to me, and that's what I want to do. I want to spread this welding community. I want to teach you guys how to, you know, all I have in my heart, and give it back to you. It's what's important to me. And I love my wife, I love my kids, you know, so being able to be involved in their life and being there for them is what's important to me. I could travel the road and I could be gone all the time, but I choose not to. And at times I have to do that. You know, I have to go away from the home, and I have to be away from my loved ones, but you know, that's what it is at times. You got to make sacrifices that people aren't going to want to do. I remember times I've been in the muddy ditch because nobody else wanted to go in there and get their white shirt dirty, and I was like, I don't even care, because at the end of the day, it's all going to wash off, and I do it all for the glory of God anyways. You guys are paying me the money to do the work, so I'm going to do the work. I'm going to put in the work, and I'm going to go out there and do it with a smile on my face, because I'm fortunate, I'm thankful, I'm grateful. The opportunity's here. I'm going to take advantage of it, you know, in a good way, not a bad way. Take advantage of your advantage in a good way. Don't take advantage of people in a bad way, you know. A lot of the times, you know, people are in agreement with me, and they, you know, either they don't want to work with me or they do want to work with me, and it's okay. I don't take it offensively. It is what it is, man. Either you love me or you hate me, or you hate me or you love me. It's all good, because at the end of the day, I'm going to do nothing but spread the love and tell you guys I love you, because that's what it is. Even if you hate on me, it's all good. I don't even care. You know, people try to squash my reputation over lies, and that's fine. Do that. It'll come back and it'll bite you in the butt. It ain't gonna bite me in the butt. I'm gonna keep giving my life all I got, and I'm gonna keep climbing and soaring, because that's what I'm about. I'm about making progress and doing what I have to do, because no matter what, I'm gonna stay motivated, and ain't nothing gonna bring me down. People who want to hold you down are only down and out because of themselves, and they can stay there. You know, you can try to lift them up a little bit, but you can't waste your energy on them. So anyways, you know, guys, God bless you. I love you. I hope this reaches some people that really need it. You know, I hope that God blesses your life, and that you can continue to do the things that you need to do in life to get where I am. I'm not on top yet, and I don't know if I'll ever be on top, and I don't even know what the top is. To me, the top is heaven. So someday I hope to make it to heaven. So praise God and loving God, because that's all about what I'm about. You know, I follow God, and I make sure that He leads me where I need to be. It is what it is. Mad shout out to everybody across the globe. If you guys are tuning in, I love you guys. I appreciate you. I'm not the best person in the world. I got a colorful past where I've done some terrible things, but you know what? Through the grace of God, I've been forgiven, and that's how I just live my life. I'm going to keep doing good now, because I'm on a good path, and I just want to do good things. And if you want that too, you can have it. Anything is possible. If you want to be an astronaut and fly to space, you can make it happen. If you want to be soaring across the stages rapping, you can make it happen. If you want to be on YouTube preaching and telling people how motivated you are, it can happen. Anything is possible. Anything. All right, guys, I hope this message reaches the people that need it the most. And if somebody needs this, share it with them. Let them know about me, and realize things are in the works for me. You know, I got my giveaways coming away on YouTube. It's my new thing. We're going to be doing weekly giveaways where I'm going to be giving away some items from my awesome sponsor, SoCo. You know, she decks me out with the hats, you know, the jackets, the bandanas, the bags, you know, all the stickers, you know. So stay tuned. It's coming real soon. We're probably going to kick it off next week, and it's going to be on YouTube only. We're going to be doing the YouTube giveaway. So I just want to spread the message across the world and give it all back to you guys, because you deserve it. You deserve it more than anything. You truly do. God bless you guys. Have a great day. I'm out. Peace. Oh, and for those celebrating Independence Day, 4th of July, happy 4th of July, guys. I'm out. Well, Professor's out. Peace.